Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So igame elandelayo iBafana Bafana bawodlala against iCameroon. Ekuzobe kuyigame ebaluleke kakhulu le for iBafana Bafana because bazobe bedlala eround of 16. I spoke about le video ke bafethu. Uma ufuna nje ukuyibuka le game le ngishaya khona ianalysis ne-preview yakhona. Ungahamba uyayibheka kuma video engisathana kwaposta, yabo. So namhlanje kodwa ke ngizobe ngikhuluma nge-lineup prediction yami. I-lineup prediction indlela mina engaba line up ngakhona abadlali, yabo. Into esiyoexpecta ngikhulumile ngayo kwi-match preview, yabo. So first and foremost engakusho nje kule game le kumele sazi ukuthi sobhekana ne-team eqine ngempela. Njengoba sobhekana ne-team eqine ngempela nathi akumele sidembezele. Nathi kumele sazi ukuthi okay njengoba sobhekana ne-team eqinile, le team lesodlala nayo bazobe defendile because bayakwazi ukudefenda. They conceded amagoli amabili kuma group stages, thina siconcede 4 goals. So kumele nathi sikwazi ukuthi sivale emuva, kodwa ke attacking wise kumele sazi sibe nobuhlakani, sibe nabadlali aba-attacker kuphela abangeke balibambe kakhulu ibhola, abangeke bahlale nebhola isikhathi esiningi. Kumele nje ibhola lisuke enyaweni kuyiwe phambili kuyoshawa inqaba. So without wasting any further time ngizoqala nje epalini bafethu. Ngiyalwazi kudaba, yabo. Ngifuna ukuloku ngiyalina le uRonwen Williams uyena goalkeeper weBafana Bafana, uyisithenjwa uyena goalkeeper, number 1 goalkeeper weBafana Bafana mina engamqalisa ahead of le game lesoyidlala against iCameroon, yabo. I expect uRonwen Williams to show up, yabo, to show up abe leader weBafana Bafana njengoba hlale simbona enza, and kule game leso besimdinga ngempela because some of our defenders sometimes they crumble under pressure. So kule game lesiyamdinga ngempela uRonwen Williams akwazi ukuthi abe leader, sikwazi ukuthi le game lesiyinqobe on a clean sheet because sesiconsider ama goals amaningi kakhulu ekhona lapha epalini. So kuma defenders, I know a lot of people are speaking regarding this center back pairing, but for me I think I see right now center back pairing yethu isiyavuma kancane isiyayivuma. I saw some glimpses of a partnership esebenzayo second half ye game ade sidlala against iZimbabwe. I saw these players sebeyathembana and abajita sebeyakwazi ukhavelana. Ade kuyiyona critic ade nginayo mina regarding le center back pairing le, yabo. Ingakho imatch yokuqala when I did first lineup prediction yalama games la weAFCON, I put ubani uMbokazi with uSibisi because uMbokazi benoSibisi sebedlala ama games amaningi bedlala ndawonye. So going to le AFCON le ngazile ukuthi vele sizoba nayo inkinga, sizoba nazo inkinga uma sifielda bani uMbokazi benobani benongezana because abajwayelene kakhulu, abanama games amaningi bedlala ndawonye. So ukubafielda bawu2 bawusinikeza inkinga because abaka understandani indlela abadlala ngakhona. Kanti ke uSibisi weTumbokazi sebedlala ama games amaningi bendawonye. Abajita so far bayathembisa, yabo, bayathembisa. Ngiyabathemba kule game esobe sidlala against iCameroon. So I hope ucoach uzokwazi ukukhuluma nabo, abatshela ukuthi bafethu kubaluleke kanjani ukuthi bayigcine clean sheet, abatshela ukuthi kubaluleke kanjani ukuyodlala nabadlali abanjengo Brian Mbeumo. But for me mina i-defensive partnership engayibeka uMbokazi with Ngezana, yabo. Okwamanje abajita kumele bazi ukuthi kahle kahle yini esidlalelayo la, i-serious kangakanani esidlalelayo, yabo. Azizile ukuzodlala, sizodlala. Mase ukuthi i-right wing back yami bafethu angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu, nyamazi bafethu, yabo. One of the excelling defenders isinawo kule back line okuMbokazi naye umdawu bafethu. Abajita bayimisela ngempela, badlala indlela eyisimanga. So ngamqalisa as i-right wing back yami. Mase ukuthi i-left wing back Nyalazi uDaba akushintshi bafethu, akushintshi nje. Niyazi into emele siyoyenza, nyamazi bafethu. Umdiba abantu abaningi they are saying umjida akadlali kakhulu, yabo, akayimiseli enough. But ke for me last game iperformance yakhe bimnandi umjida, bimnandi kakhulu iperformance yakhe. It's just a pity ukuthi leya own goal yangena, yabo, yayiphuma ngiyena. But ke yena he had a solid, yabo, he had a solid group stages. Umjida ubedlala kahle kakhulu. So I don't think ukuthi ukhona so far umjida osengamkhipha lapha nami vele, yabo. Going to le AFCON le kangimnqena kakhulu umdiba, but ke so far he has proved me wrong umjida. He is very performing, he is very good kuleya side leya. So wena ungangitshela wena iback 4 yakho ungayibeka kanjani, yabo. Abanye ke bangasho ukuthi awuvani why umbuyisa uNgezana, but ke mina I trust uNgezana ozostilivela nje i-master class against ilompahla le iCameroon. Cameroon have a lot of players abaqomwali mase ukuthi size swinike yabona ke la iswini lapho khona izinto izoqala khona ke zibe yabo complicated but ke angifuni ukuzenza zibe complicated ngaleyo ndlela bafethu khumbulani phela siyodlala against a very good side okuyi Cameroon. iCameroon bafethu inabadlali abaningi abadlala eEurope abatalented abalaziyo ibhola mase nje ubheke kwisisabo there is a player right there abambiza uBaleba ke manje ngikhumbula kahle umchita udlalela eBrighton ufuna iclub nje eManchester United. He is a very good player odlala lapha eswini. So isisu sakho esibafana bafana kumele usenze siqine. So mina I'll approach this game with a 6-6 yabo mhlambe kungayibuza why fana we approach i-6-6 so far. I think i-6-6 yona into ezosebenzela because it seems like izinto kahle kahle thina asisihambile mesodlala izona with number 8 o number 8 wawuthu bafana bafana so far abakasikhombisi lento esiyidingayo. So i-6-6 so far iyona edlalela kahle. We saw ubathi Obas coming in replace yena bafethu usithole wakwazi ukuthi asinikeze igame enhle kakhulu bafethu indlela eyisimanga. So bawuthu abajita ba understandana badlala kuMamelodi Sundowns. So I want them to play yabo as they usually play kuMamelodi Sundowns yabo bakwazi ukusinikeza a top performance against a very strong midfield eqhamuka neCameroon yabo because I know kuzobe kuyi midfield battle enzima kakhulu. Mesiluza amabhola lapha kuzomela sikwazi ukuthi sikhave sikwazi ukuthi simake. So akumele siwaluze amabhola amaningi lapha eswini. So sidinga abantu bazokwazi ukuthi baoperate kahle bashaya amaphasi asimple amaphasi azokwazi ukuthi ayisize team yayo iye phambili. Because once aluza amabhola bazosibamba ama counter attacks ilapho khona ke esohlaza khona. Asifuneke ukuthi sihlakazeke. Kumele siye phambili sikwazi ukuthi sibanqobe yabo. Ngangitshela wena isingathini isisakho ungadlala i-6-6 noma ungadlala ngo-6 no 10 no 8 mase kuthi ke umdlali ozongidlalela as number 10. So kulomdlali lo I'll play him as a half 10 yebo. I'll play Oswina Police as a half 10. Reason why I'm playing Oswina Police as a half 10 guys, we are facing a very dangerous side okuyini Cameroon is dangerous ngokuthi ba defender kakhulu. They are very defensive. So uma uzobona umdlalo njengo Oswina Police as number 10 uzokwazi lapho ukuthi uyibreak i-defense yayo iCameroon because abajita bazobona ukuthi okay Oswina Police is that player oyisithenjwa kubafana bafana. So mesombeka kwi-winger bazokwazi ukuthi mjita basheshe bamvale kalula medlala lapha ezi-winger because they already have i-assignment yakhe. So mase simsuse simdlalise as i-half 10 yabo. Half winger adlale as i-half 10 adlale lapha more central mase sifaka umunye umdlali ngala mase ka right sifaka umunye umdlali lapho khona sizokwazi ukuthi siyihlakaze i-defense yabo. Bazobona ukuthi hayibo wayesedlala central manje so bazofocusa more kuyena Oswina Police mase ke kuma wingers wethu sobe sinawo azokwazi ukuthi akwazi ukuthola ispace lapha akwazi ukudlala akwazi ukufaka amabhola eboxini ashaya inqaku. Oswina Police uyakwazi ukushutha uyakwazi umjida ukudlala amaphasi amancane uyakwazi ukcreate iplay with omokwena uyakwazi ukuthi amove lapha yabo. And futhi strong Oswina Police uyakwazi ukubamba amabhola ibhola lilahlika kalula kulomjida lo. So I trust him to perform lapha as number 10 yabo. Uzodlala as up 10 do because uzokwazi ukuthi ashintshe aye lapha phambili adlale eziwinga kungena mhlambe la uNkota because I know uNkota for me uyena ngingamqalisa ngala. So uzongena ngala adlale as a center forward uNkota mase angene phakathi nendawo na uNkota uyakwazi ukukhahlela. So lapha left wing abafethu without wasting any time. You know the drill. Moremi for me angangiqalela umjida as left winger for iOrlando Pirates. Not for iOrlando Pirates for iBafana Bafana angangiqalela as left winger kule game esoyidlala against iCameroon. Mase ukuthi ka right futhi ngiyalwazi udaba umjida uNkota angaqala as i-right winger against iCameroon. So far ngiyayibona ngi-attack yami ukuthi injani yabo. I'm sure abantu abaningi bayayigxeka but ke ngitshele yakho ungayigxeki yami yabo. Mase ukuthi i-striker sami bafethu i-striker sami uFoster yabo. So iyona ke line up mina engayilana apha ngakhona against iCameroon lesiyodlala nayo bafethu yabo. It's a deadly team with a strong defense. Iswini strong solid mase ukuthi ne-attack yethu uyayibona ifast kanjani isolid kanjani. Lapho khona ke uma kwenzeka score igoli noma 2 ilapho khona introduce khona lo mdlali lo kuthiwa siphombule second half, lapho khona sizokwazi ukuthi sibalansise igame, sikwazi sicontrol more igame. Yabo, going to this game I'm not looking for iBafana Bafana ukuthi icontrol kakhulu, because I know iCameroon izofuna ukuliphatha ibhola, izofuna usicounter. So for us, we must utilize ama counter attacks, we must utilize ama pacey balls, ama short passes khona sokwazi siphambili kakhulu. So iyona lineup ye ungangitshela wena yakho, ungakhohlwa usubscribe, ulike ivideo. Ngiyabonga isupport eninginikeza yona bafethu.